All right, on this next one, we're going to look at, let's say we have, for instance, Reed for his YouTube channel. Reed has 500 subscribers. And loses 75 per week. So here, as the X increases, which is your number of weeks, as X increases, he's losing subscribers. So it's going to be going down by 75 every week. So as X increases, the Y decreases. We'd say this has a negative correlation or negative association. All right. So the number of weeks, we're probably going to want to go by ones here, just because it's per week. If it said like every 3 weeks he loses this many, you're going to want to probably go by threes or something other than ones, okay? So this would be 6, 7. So this is your number of weeks, and then you have the number of subscribers. Of course, you're not going to want to go by ones. If you go by 75s, that's fine. It's just you got to go by 75 each time. I'd go by 100. Let's just go by hundreds here to make things easier, okay? Another way that you could see this written is if it said like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this is 100s. Good grief. You're going by hundreds here, okay? So if yes, it's going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but that means 100, 200, 300, 400, 500. So it says he has 500. So make sure you keep 0 in here. That says at 0 weeks at the beginning of this. To start off with, Reed has 500 subscribers, and every single week it's decreasing by 75. So after the first week, 500 minus 75 would give you 425. So it's going to be something like right there. Okay? So it's going to be decreasing by 75 every single time. All right? So if we were to take 425 and subtract 75 from it, you get 350. So, excuse me, after the second week, you'd have 350 subscribers. So it's going to be going down by a constant rate each time. And you could use this graph to predict like how many weeks would it be for before he has none left or before he doesn't have any subscribers left. You could use this graph. I mean, it's just like a picture representation of that word problem. You know, if you were to subtract another 75, you go down to 275, and it's just going to be going by a constant rate. It looks by this graph, we said 275 at 3 weeks. Like something like this. So it looks like around 7 or 8 weeks it's going to be going down. So the equation here, since it is decreasing, you'd say y equals, it's going down by 75 every week. So I don't know why I just keep doing that. It's going down by 75 every week, but you're starting off with 500. So if I put a 7 in there, you do negative 75 times 7, and then you would add 500 to that, and you would get negative 25. So that means after 7 weeks, he's going to have negative 25 subscribers, which doesn't make any sense. That just means that at 7 weeks, he's not going to have any subscribers left, definitely. If I put a 6 in there, you're going to do negative 75 times 6. I don't know why it keeps doing this. Negative 75 times 6, and then you add 500 to that. Negative 75 times 6, and then you add 500. And you have 50. So that means at 6 weeks, he's going to have 50 left. So the graph is going to, a better graph or a better line would look something like this. So at 6 weeks, he has 50 subscribers. So in between 6 and 7 weeks, he's going to run out, okay? That is how you get a graph, or how you get a graph from a word problem, okay?